Where's the baby? There's the baby! Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Hi. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Choo-choo. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Oh, you want to brush your teeth with a comb? Tomorrow you're going to be 8 months old. Tomorrow. Whoa, it's bright, huh? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Just come here. With saliva. Come here. You want it? You want it? Look at you, that's so sad. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? You want your square? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Cara, you want your giraffe? You want your giraffe? You woke up so early. 7:15, you woke up already. Right now it is 8:30, so you've been up for about an hour now. And I'll take you downstairs. We'll go have some applesauce. Okay, Mommy made applesauce for you. And then after you eat applesauce, you come up and nurse and see if you fall asleep. Okay, that's the plan. Okay. Where's the baby? 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 Where's the Tiny? Cara, go get Tiny. Cara. Cara. Dee and Tiny, where are they? Oh, there's Dee and Tiny. Dee, leave it. Leave it. Don't take tissue out of the trash. Cara. Cara. Oh no, you want to play with printer. No printer. Uh-huh. Oh, the printer wire. That looks fun. Huh? Oh, no, not for eating. Not for eating, my dear baby.